All right, this is Eric Auto Center. As usual, we always trying to, give you quality video content, and also we want to allow you motor vehicle experience all the time. Meaning, we want to update you what is going on around the world of auto. So, if you are here for the first time, or maybe you have stayed on this platform watching videos, and you haven't yet subscribed to Eric Auto Center, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button right now, and after that click the notification bell to stay updated so that you won't miss any important video on this platform. You will benefit a lot from us. If you're a car user, technical man, or a car owner, this platform is for you. Today I'm going to share one product for you. I have did some short video on it, but I want to take you more inside and explain further so that you know what type of product I'm holding here. This is exclusive and it can help you a lot to save a lot of money. It also boosts your engine performance so that your engine can last. You know that most of our fuel in Ghana here are almost, you can't tell, but most of them are not good. So the reason why your engine can last, sometimes you feel smoking, malfunction, jerking and all these things because of bad fuel that you purchase, but you don't know because you don't even know the octane number of fuel that you buy. You don't even know the sectane number. That number represents the quality of the fuel, which we have octane number and sectane number. Fast forward, we have this fuel addictive here. We will call it fuel addictive, but people call it fuel injector cleaner. As you can see, this is the product, and this product is for gasoline engines only. Which is petrol engines. Why I am showing this is that some engines are more productive, but it will get to a time you can see your engine is not performing, and that is not how the manufacturer did it, but due to the wrong fuel that you buy. So this can save you a lot of money, and this can prevent your engine from what? This is the concentrated cleaner. It cleans all the injectors, it cleans the manifold, it cleans the oxygen sensor, and it's also clean the what? Catalyst converter. So if you are using this product, is a multi-system cleaner, and you can see once you use it, you know the difference between now and before. And this is more improvable and it's advanced one. So it improves your gas mileage. That is number one. And it dissolves gum, varnish, and carbon. It also eliminates engine hesitation. And this product here can treat up to 20 gallons. So how to use it is that you have to use your tank to almost empty gallon. Then you put this product in your tank, then you go to filling station and you refill it. Make sure you refill the tank to full, because if you don't refill it to full tank, you may not be able to benefit from it. And you can use this thing as long as 3,000 miles before you can able to use it again. So if you buy this product and you can't able to refill the tank, within a shorter period of time it will finish and it won't work. You won't get the result. So we have been using it. Most of people watching me now have been bought this product from me. We have diesel type 2, which is more expensive. So if you need this product, DM me, put your comment below in the comment section so that we can able to locate you and give you one. It is more important. It keeps the engine life forever. The engine can run smoothly, especially for those engines that have high sound, that hesitation. It will kill it once and for all. Once you're using it, after you use it for a while, you can see the engine sound is quiet as manufacturer did. All the hesitation would be off. All the carbon, gum, and this hesitation malfunction will be go off. And it also protect your fuel pump, because this product will clean your fuel pump, pressure valve, and the filter inside. So it's one is in a million, and I recommend this for you. We have plenty in stock. So if you want to request it, if you want to use it, just DM us, put your comment below in the comment section. We can talk privately, then we locate you and give you one. We've been using it. So it's just a liquid. Once you open it, open your tank, then drop it inside, then go to the filling station and refill. But if your tank is full and you put it inside, it will not work. It won't give you any result. Make sure the tank is almost empty. Put it inside and refill it. That is how it works. It is more important, and we call it fuel addictive. But in general name is fuel injector. We also have diesel cleaner there. We have a lot different type. So whether you are especially for, fuel injectors, diesel fuel injectors, this product is good for you. And this is not recommended for diesel engines. It is for only gasoline engines. So if you are using a diesel car and you need this product, please link to us. We will give you the type you use for diesel. Please, there are some restrictions on how to use it. So don't go and buy what I'm using for, diesel engine. You will spoil your engine. This is required for only petrol engines. We normally call it gasoline engine. That is the mechanical work. Thanks for watching this video. If anything I didn't mention, or if anything you don't understand in this video or my explanation, this presentation, make sure you comment so that we can assist you. We take our audience feedback seriously. This is Eric Auto Center, Ghana's #1 automotive channel. Stay blessed. Bye bye.